Go ahead, Alice, tell them about what we've purchased and what you really were requesting.
Oh yeah, I was very concerned about storage, and finally we got the solution. Here is our stowaway, and today we are gonna show you how awesome it is and how great it's gonna be on our Discovery bus, where we can put our nice goodies.
All right, so you've heard it from Alice, and there's the little guy. He's just a mischief maker, but he's trying to have some fun. We're trying to keep Rocky young. Rocky's 10 years old, and over here on the Discovery bus, the reason we want the storage is for all the goodies when you're out camping or boondocking. We fell in love with this kickback rocker. You're gonna see more about that today, but super cool. It's got the shock absorbers on that, and you can see here, it's a really cool little chair that can rock actually, and pretty neat. So we're excited about that, and that's been the challenge, is getting this stuff and fitting everything in here. So today we're going to see what we can do on the back of the Discovery bus and hook this up.
Look at here, she's just playing with the box.
Honey, we got to make a video. Nobody's going to subscribe to our channel or give us a like if we're just playing with puppies the whole time.
Why? Everybody loves puppies. And everybody loves kids. All right, Tommy T. Did we get it?
Right,
wow. Hey, Tommy T. Wow, you are strong.
It is fantastic. This should be pretty awesome. Super excited about getting this on the Coachmen Beyond. Okay, as you can see here, it's got electrical cord coming out of the back, and really nice handles here on the sides. As we come around, you can see that this is going to be obviously facing the back with the lights and the way this is set up with the stowaway. And as we open this up, you're gonna see it looks like we've got some assembly like always. So and this is how it comes packaged, and I'm glad because Alice is gonna be doing all this assembly. Aren't you, Alice? Huh? You're gonna be doing all that assembly? So I'll be back in a couple hours. Let me know how it goes, and have it ready.
Yes, Captain.
Need to get this video out. But as you can see, we're gonna have to open all these up and see what we got. Okay, let's do this. And
Gypsy,
Alice, how are you gonna get any work done if you keep playing with this puppy all the time?
Oh no, she's an helper.
Yeah?
She's a little helper. Yeah?
Okay, so
Aren't you? Aren't you, baby?
let's do it. All right, so the first box, see what we got in here. And the first box is empty. So that must be just for
Spacer,
cushion.
yep.
Yeah, it's like a spacer. All right. So 0 for 1. Gypsy, what do you got, like styrofoam on your face already?
Oh my God.
Come on, let's go. We got to get this done. In there like our rocking chairs. What? Look at that. We're gonna have lots of great storage. So we're gonna put this together, and we're gonna show you how it looks on the Coachmen Beyond with the Ford chassis. So but this is gonna work on most of these Class Bs because of the hitch system, and we think you're gonna love it, and it should be ideal. No need for a trailer, and we'll be able to carry a lot of cool stuff to the campground.
Well,
Okay, take a look at here, folks.
yeah, we are gonna start opening this one. Cargo box component.
Okay, let's open it up. What do we got?
I don't know.
Pull it out.
There's a lot of things. A lot of screws. Oh, some of those things
Zip
there.
tie.
Zippies.
Okay.
And this.
All right, you ready?
And this plastic thing.
Okay, you ready to put this together?
No, really.
Not really. Okay, here we go. And Alice is reading the instructions, and we're gonna put this thing together. Okay, folks, we just invented something brand new. It works on your hitch, and it's designed for puppies. And here's what we came up with. Check this out. Go ahead, Alice, show them how it's done.
If she doesn't behave, she's gonna stay inside you.
Okay, take a look at this. When you go to the campground, you take your gear out, and you got a little puppy holder. How about that? It is super cool. Now you can run around the campsite, don't have to worry about the little guy, and he's got his little house all set to go. So there you have it, another innovation from the Discovery Bus.
All right, step number 1, Tommy. Hey, what's going on? I am doing all the assembly and you're just enjoying a beer with Rocky.
You know what they say, no drinking in assembly. No drinking in assembly. So, I mean, you're doing good, and you're way smarter than I am. I mean, this is really not my forte. Wow, you got that on there already?
Yeah.
You are doing good. Holy cow, take a look at that, folks. Wow, that is pretty sweet. You did all that?
Yes, I did.
Wow, impressive. All the way from Italy. You know they build Ferraris there and Lamborghinis. I should have known that Alice would have a knack for this stuff. So, well done. So this is how it fits on the back. And we're gonna keep going with the work instructions. And this thing's coming together pretty easily. Not too bad. All right, so next step is you've got to swing this in, and here's a little latch here. So you just give this a little boom. Now she's locked in nice. If you want to detach it, comes out like that. So pretty straightforward. Once again, you're going to come in. That locks it nice. Pretty sweet.
Very nice.
Okay, so next we got to mount the box.
Yep.
So,
Position
you
the
know,
box.
Gypsy's not going to be happy about that, right?
Oh, look at her.
Oh, look at her. She's loving her new. Look at this. Baby.
That's a weird position.
Baby Bobby Pin, huh? How about that? Is that awesome or what?
Oh, she's so cute.
She is
She's
so cute.
I enjoy love.
All right, what do you got going now?
Washer, rubber washer and metal washer.
Okay.
You need to put one for each hole.
Okay.
Now they are perfect.
All right, very good. So you got them on all four. What's the next step?
And that's over here, and then I have all the screws ready.
Okay, the only issue now is this little guy's fallen in love with his puppy pen. So what are we gonna do about that? Gypsy, hey buddy, what are we gonna do about that? Okay, we've got it on the back, and this install's taking a little longer than normal because of this guy, but pretty cool.
She's
And
helping.
And then you see the holes that are going to be going through down here. Okay, it looks like you got this thing under control. Looks really good. What do you got left?
License plate.
Okay, so it looks like they've got a lighted license plate holder. You see him a little, you're looking at this a little strange. So what's the issue?
Well, these are two big ones.
Yeah.
And this hole is obviously not enough to make them go through.
Okay, so we
I
were just
think
getting ready to give this a 5-star. What's going on with that, guys, at Stowaway? You got a little tiny hole, and we got to fit the wires through.
These two are not holes.
Yeah, those I get that. Those are going to screw in, but this middle cord that actually pushes through. So why that's not a bigger hole doesn't really make sense. So we'll just drill it out. Should be no problem, and that's another reason for you to break out the drill.
Let's go.
Okay, what do we got going here?
Oh, just a plug.
Okay, the plug pops in the corner.
Yep.
And you're good to go. So you got to have the little plug. Okay, look at you. Uh-oh, that seems dangerous. You got a drill?
Yep.
All right, so let's see what you
Hey.
got.
I
What?
cannot do this.
What?
There's the puppies inside.
Huh?
Do you want to drill the puppy?
Oh, man. Okay, here we go, folks. We got the puppy out. And look at there. There she goes. Wow.
Drill it.
Look at you. Wow. Look at that little RV mechanic. Got to check out our other movie on our 2 leaks and our no hot water. But for now, looks like you got the hole in there just right.
Yeah, it seems to work it out.
All right, very nice. Looks like that. You actually got to have the light facing down, but we got the hole perfect. And the wires come through on this side with the little guy over there,
Right,
keeping an eye on him.
Take Gypsy out.
All right, we got to take Gypsy out again?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right.
It's my baby.
Doggy in the box. This is our temporary holding while Alice does the rest. Hey, where's he going? Hey, where's he going? Okay, set, go. Perfect.
Huh?
Well done.
I'm a driller.
Way to drill that. Wow. Okay, tightening those up. Got a little washer. And then, whoa, hang on. You got to make the red on red, the white on white. Now you're going to become an electrician also. Pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Well done, Alice.
Yeah, you marry a superstar.
You are. This is not normal. This girl grew up with an RV and talked me into the RV. And honestly, you've been amazing with the RV. And I think your advice to everyone has been use it, right? So tell everybody like the first lesson you gave me with this thing.
Let's go.
No, but she's all about use the bathroom, use the sink, use the heater, use the...
You have everything, you use everything. Yeah, don't just keep it clean and nice. Just use it.
All right. And this little guy loves his new puppy house, puppy den, whatever you want to call it. But I think we're on to something here, Alice. I mean, he runs around and goes crazy, and you throw him in here, he loves it. And I think this is going to work out well with our travels.
Yeah, I think so.
All right. Sounds good. All right. So the wiring's in. We got the plate on. It's looking really good. Now we'll tighten everything up and get this thing filled up with some of the accessories.
Yep.
Okay, Alice has all the cable ties ready to go. So we've got everything fully assembled now. So we're just gonna tighten everything up and we should be good to go. Okay, so with everything, there's always one negative. People ask us, our videos are so positive, is there any negatives? And on this one, there is one negative. Alice loves to open these back doors. If you watch our Shenandoah video, you'll see that. We backed it right up to the edge of the mountain and overlooked the valley. It was stunning. I mean, super beautiful. And we didn't even need to use the screen for that, and laid in the bed, and it was amazing. So for this, if you have it attached, you're gonna have to actually, just like a bike rack, the swing out just does not take it out far enough to allow you to open this door. So as you can see, as you open the door, it's gonna hit it. We tried it in a different angle, swing it that way a little bit, and no matter what angle, you just can't get there. So No issue. I mean, you just unscrew this untighten this and take it off, and you know,
one door.
yeah, or you could do one door, to your point. So that is a valuable option. So you could do the one door, and we could swing this around and detach it here, hit the magnets, and then you can have one door screen out. So that actually works. So good point, Alice. Once again, you are the guru. And so you'd have a one door opening if you swung this thing out with the screen, which is still pretty good, actually. I think that would work out really nice.
It's not perfect, but it's close enough.
And then the final piece is just tightening this up, which is really nice, and it tightens this down so that latch can't go anywhere while you're traveling. You can see, just really nice, really easy. We're in love with this. This is a great design. All right, it looks like it's all set. Well done, Alice.
And fantastic quality. I give 5 Discovery Bus.
5 Discovery Bus rating. The quality is outstanding. The assembly was straightforward, good instructions.
And here you close.
And you close, and they even throw in, pop this up, I think they throw in a puppy, right, when you buy it?
Yay!
Whoa, look at there. But in any case, we hope you had fun. So stay subscribed and give us a like on this video. A lot of work went into it by Alice, and thank you so much. All right, and how do you have fun outdoors?